Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are previewing the Calusa floor plan by Lennar. This is part of their executive line of homes that you can find at their Southwest Florida Communities. The Calusa is a 3-bedroom plus den home, 3-bath. Let's walk inside this beautiful floor plan and take a look at what it has to offer. As we walk inside the front entryway here, you have a nice foyer, and directly to the right is going to be the first guest bedroom right at the front of the home. Nice window allowing for plenty of light to shine in. You have your bifold style closet door there, and directly past is the guest bath with the combination shower and tub there. And that's sandwiched in between the den or 4th bedroom if you choose to use a space like that. It does have a bifold closet there, so you can use this den as an additional bedroom. It does have the pocketing doors there to close off. And also another neat feature is there's a pocket door right here that can close off this whole area, give you private access to that guest bathroom right there. Now, directly across from the den is going to be your laundry space and your garage access. And then you have the 3rd guest bedroom with the bifold closet there. And then you have an ensuite bath as part of this bedroom. Now, because this is a model home, it is a handicap accessible layout for the bathroom. However, when you build one of these, your layout is going to look like this with a full shower in that bathroom. Now, coming across to the main area of the home, you've got the dining space here, the great room area, and your kitchen. All of Lennar homes come with a full stainless appliance package. And this kitchen looks out onto your dining room and living areas. Really nice open space here. And then you have a really huge walk-in pantry. Now, on the back side of this home here is the master bedroom. And the master suite here, really nice size suite. That's a king size bed there. You do have access outside to your outdoor kitchen area and pool. And then the hallway leads us into his and hers closets here. And the master bath with the separate vanity sinks, seated vanity area. You've got a nice, really nice size enclosed, glass enclosed shower here, linen closet, and your private commode space. And last but not least is the outdoor living area. So out here, you've got a really nice size space under truss, outdoor kitchen, and this all overlooks your resort style pool area. Plenty of space back here to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. All right, guys, so this is the Calusa floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you can find here in Southwest Florida. We are your local Lennar experts. If you're looking for this floor plan or any other floor plan within Lennar's communities, you can contact us at all the information that you see below. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.